Hi! In front of me is Motorola Edge 30 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. You need to start by opening Settings and choosing Connected Devices. Now click on Pair New Device and wait for available ones to show. When they do, click on the correct one. I will go with this one. Then you need to wait for the pop-up and select Pair in order to continue. Now wait for the other device to accept your connection request. And as you can see, my smartphones were successfully connected. If you want to disconnect them, you can do that by choosing this gear icon next to chosen device, clicking on Forget, and selecting Forget Device in this pop-up. In order to connect to it again, you need to choose Pair New Device, tap on it, and repeat all of those steps one more time. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!